1985 Lynn, Massachusetts town. 18 years old, dreams all around.
A white guitar hanging under neon light.
I bought it with hope,
Thought my future was bright.
I walked those streets with melodies in my head, chasing songs that hadn't been written yet.
But life got heavy and money got tight.
So I sold that white guitar
One lonely night, I still remember the store and the road, the feeling inside when that dream took hold.
Some choices fade,
But this one remains,
a quiet little lake
through the years and the change.
40 years later, the clock circles back.
The music I left is finding my track.
At 5:30 tonight,
I'm learning again,
opening a door I should never
have closed then.
Tim, Tim, dollar.
Some dreams wait patiently.
Through every twist of destiny,
The song was never gone.
it was living inside all along. Oh, white guitar, can you hear me now? I'm coming back.
I remember how,
40 years of roads I've traveled through.
but the music still leads me back to you.
Oh, white guitar,
My old friend, my guide.
the dream never died, it was waiting inside.
Now I'm picking up the strings once more.
Standing where my heart stood before. Back in Salem State in '88, I took piano class and dreamed of fame. Wanted a band, wanted songs to fly. Earned a B+ and reached for the sky. Bought an electric piano with a hopeful plan. Practiced Tropicana songs whenever I can. Music was calling, clear and strong.
The business became my lifelong song. Building companies, chasing success.
Checking every box, passing every test.
Yet somewhere beneath every deal and chart,
A melody waited inside my heart.
now I see what I couldn't see then.
Music wasn't a hobby.
It was part of who I am.
Every note I lost is finding me again.
Like an old companion, like a lifelong friend.
I thought I left the music behind.
The music never left my mind.
The years went fast, the decades flew.
Yet the dream remains steady and true.
And tonight, the journey starts anew. Oh, white guitar,
Can you hear me now?
I'm coming back.
I remember how,
Boy, I was and the man today.
finally meeting halfway.
Oh, white guitar,
The circle is complete.
40 years later.
We finally meet.
And when I play along to this song tonight,
I know some dreams were worth the fight.
1986 to today, the music was waiting all the way. And now the strings are calling me home.